Assalamu alaikum. Dear young learners, do you know what we are going to learn today?
I guess we are going to do mind map of Surah Al-Layl, because we have just completed translation and tafsir of this surah.
Perfect. So what do you remember about Surah Al-Layl?
Surah Al-Layl is the 92nd chapter of the Quran. It's a short but powerful chapter that teaches us important lessons. Teacher, I think more about this surah. May I tell you?
Sure, Fatima. You can tell us.
Surah Al-Layl is in just 30. And it has verses 21. And this surah was revealed in Mecca.
Well done, Fatima. Alhamdulillah. My dear students, let's go on our board and start to learn key themes of this surah. Key themes. Day and night. The surah begins by talking about the day and night. It's like a reminder that Allah created these times for a reason. Day is for being active and night is for resting, both are Allah's gifts. Males and females. Allah created boys and girls, and both are important. We are different but complement each other, just like pieces of a puzzle. Efforts would be rewarded. Allah will see our efforts done with good intentions and having fear of Allah. So you get worried about results. Doing good for Allah. We should be good not for rewards from people, but to seek Allah's pleasure. Allah is the Most High, so making Him happy is the best goal. Selfishness. Selfishness and not helping others can make life harder. It's better to be a giver and not a beggar. The Prophet said, the best alms is that which is given when one is rich, and a giving hand is better than a taking one, and you should start first to support your dependents. Bukhari, 5355. Guidance from Allah. Allah is our guide, showing us what's right and wrong. It's like having a map for life. A warning and a reminder. Allah warns about a fiery place for those who do bad. It's a reminder to be good and avoid harm in the afterlife. My dear students, we need to pray to Allah. Here is our due. After learning Surah Al-Layl.
Dua for rizki halal. Allahumma kfini bihalalika an haramika wa aghnini bifadlika amman siwak. O Allah, make your halal provision sufficient for me so that I stay away from haram, and by your grace make me independent of everyone besides you.